So hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how to send invoice on PayPal. Now if you want to send an invoice, first off open up your app, log into your account, and you can go to the request page. Now you can select under there send an invoice to get paid, type in the billing details and amount, and review your information, tap send. So first off you can do through send/request, find on there the recipient of that invoice and you can send them your invoice. Another way you can go on about doing this is to go to the hamburger menu in the top left, which is going to give you these options. So from subscriptions to payment preferences, add banks and cards, link business, send to a PayPal account, pay bills, or request money. So if you choose send to a PayPal account, you will see this layout here. So it says, let's find your contacts, search by name, username, email, phone, or by name billing contacts. So you can find them there. You can also click on the option of get paid and choose to request money from someone. And once you've chosen that, you're going to be receiving that money from there. So once that's all done, you will then be done with receiving that money. You can send that person an invoice and they're going to be paying you through there. So once you typed in your billing details and amount, you can review your information on there and tap on send for that bill, or in this case that invoice, to be sent. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share a video. You can subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on PayPal or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.